You should turn off the faucet while brushing.
There's a lot of water, oh.
No, water is important. Some people don't have enough clean water.
We have plenty water, whatever.
Rian, hurry up! You make me late for school. Yeah, coming! Rian, you forgot to turn off the light and fan again.
It's just a one night, Mom. It's not a big deal.
You always say that electricity is important. You should not waste it.
Yeah.
Ay, talagang batang ko. Hindi marunong makinig. Napaka-aksayado.
It's so hot today. It doesn't feel normal anymore. Yeah, even the air feels warm. Yesterday, it was raining. Then it's now this morning.
The weather is confusing at this point.
You look stressed. My mama's scolding me again. What happened? I left the lights on, the charger, the fan, and everything. Again? It's not a big deal.
But that's still a waste of energy.
Just at home, it doesn't affect anything. No, I used to think like that. Same, but our bill went up. We even get power interruption sometimes.
It's all connected.
How? Like, how?
More energy use means more resources.
But what I think is just wrong. Yeah, but imagine if everyone is guys, look at that. The water just went.
Yeah, no one even using it.
It's been like that for a while. It's just a little water, you know. But it's keep going. That's all.
Same ideas as electricity.
And small things become big when they're needed. So even this matters.
Yeah, it starts with a small habit.
Wow! That's already something. See? Not hard. Never really thought about it before.
Now you
I guess even small things matter. Yeah. We don't have to be perfect. Just more aware.
Mom! Oh, the light is on? Oh, why did you turn it off?
Pwede ka naman makasipagtupi nang nakabukas yung pintana para hindi na tayo gumamit ng ilaw. Tsaka I learned something today.
What did you learn?
Wasting energy can harm the environment, so kailangan natin i-save yun para makahelp din tayo sa mother nature.
I'm glad you understand now.
Yes.
Why? Ketika dirimu ngajar diriku lagi sana lagi vokal karena diriku membuat dirimu bisa mati vokal Aku bisa tapi tak ada upaya jatuh dirimu tidak berdaya jago tapi di dunia maya Kau hanya datang melihat kericuan mencari seorang penyanyi tak punya kemampuan Yang model begini ku anggap hanya sepele Bekerja lima game yang kaman Josephele
Hallelujah, back to the track Bring some mistake, then wreck your neck No better fake, ku tak pinjam tangan Hanya untuk angkat nama Tapi saat ku di atas kampu jago Sakas bongkar, bombardir Hancur, kangku, takdir So fuck your enemy, setara segini Kalau cuma segini, setara keledini
So put your motherfucking bring it back Hey yo my bro, please say hey What? So put your motherfucking bring it back Hey yo my bro, please say hey Check 1, 2, 3 with empathy My bro, Sosa from SOK Check 1, 2, 3 with empathy My bro, Sosa from SOK
Nasi pizza, linca, coba kamu tanda Tok kembali bikin api lebih panas dari neraka Para seni raja, bibirkan semua Nasi rusak, mental, total, brutal Nasi padam, campur, instrumental Om Estoki, iki dengan Josephele Kalau tom semaju, terlalu
diriku hadir bawa rima bagai omak. Seperti diriku berlatih bunga mulut dan bersorak. Tiap sejenak bukan hilang muncul bagai domba hilang. Tak kenal kata untuk menyerang muncul baru dengan sarah. Oh shit, sangat patah-patah dengan rimaku bersajak. Muncul muka baru coba untuk kau menginjak. Tergetarkan daun karena tergentarkan slow bitch. Tak main kata sampai hosa.